Hey, George, I've heard people talk about Shopify a lot lately. What exactly is it?
Great question, Aria. Shopify is like a magical toolbox for creating your own online store without needing to know how to code.
Wow, that sounds handy. How does it work exactly?
Think of Shopify as a platform that provides everything you need to sell products online. You can choose from various templates to design your store, manage inventory, and even process payments.
So it's like building a virtual shop. Do you need technical skills to use it?
Not at all. Shopify is built for everyone, even if you have zero tech skills. It's user-friendly and offers features that guide you through setting up your store step by step.
That's amazing. How about keeping track of orders and customers?
Shopify has you covered. It integrates with lots of apps to help manage everything from shipping to marketing, making it a comprehensive solution for online businesses.
I see why it's popular. Is there any cost involved?
Yes, there's a subscription fee, but it's worth it for all the features and support you get. It's like investing in your business success.
Thanks, George. Shopify really seems like a powerful way to start selling online.